Dear customer, are you looking for a printer that delivers stunning image quality on almost any materials? Introducing our advanced UV flatbed printer for precision, versatility, and vibrant color performance. Watch the smooth gradients, sharp details, and consistent color density even on large wallpaper application. Every pattern is produced with exceptional clarity and accuracy. The rich black tones, fine texture, and seamless transition create a premium visual effect that brings every design to life. But this is more than just a wallpaper printer. You can print directly on metal plates, glass, wooden board, leather, textile materials, vinyl sheet, wallpaper, wall cloth, mobile phone cover, acrylic, PVC, and much more. With UV curing technology, prints are instantly dry, scratch resistant, durable, and long lasting. Whether you are producing interior decoration materials, customized gift, packaging, or industrial products, this printer helps you expand your business opportunities. High resolution, brilliant color, and outstanding versatility. One machine in less possibilities. Upgrade your printing business with our UV flatbed printer. Contact us today for more information and live demonstration. Thank you for watching.